Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the latest market data and news for you to understand and make better informed trading decisions. Today's date is October 15th, 2024, and we'll be focusing on the NZDUSD pair. Recent news surrounding the NZDUSD has been dominated by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's RBNZ decision to slash interest rates to 4.75% amidst economic sluggishness. This move, aimed at stimulating economic growth, has significantly weakened the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. The Kiwi, as it's affectionately nicknamed, has been under pressure, falling below 61 cents and extending its recent decline. When we look at the daily chart, we can see that the NZDUSD has been trending downwards since the beginning of October, with several consecutive bearish candles indicating a strong bearish sentiment. This decline coincides with the RBNZ's interest rate cut and the overall bearish economic sentiment surrounding New Zealand. The daily chart reveals a clear downtrend, with the price currently testing the 0.6000 psychological level. If the price breaks below this level, it could signal further downside potential for the Kiwi. Let's take a closer look at the 1-hour chart to see if there are any opportunities for short-term trades. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart where we can see more detailed price action. The NZDUSD has been consolidating around the 0.6080 level, with several short-term candles indicating a potential reversal. However, the bearish pressure from the daily chart is still present, making it difficult to definitively call a short-term reversal. The 1-hour chart also reveals a potential support level at the 0.6070 level, which has been tested several times in the past week. If the price holds above this level, it could indicate a short-term bounce back. However, it's important to note that this support level might be temporary, and a break below could lead to further downside. The key to watch for in the short term is whether the price can break above the 0.6100 resistance level. A break above this level could signal a short-term bullish trend, but this will need to be confirmed by a move above the 0.6150 level on the daily chart. Let's narrow down our focus on the 1-hour chart and look at the last 24 hours of price action. Here, we can see a clear trend of consolidation between the 0.6080 and 0.6100 levels. This range has been tested repeatedly, with the price currently sitting at the lower end of the range. If the price breaks above the 0.6100 level, it could indicate a short-term bullish breakout. However, if the price breaks below the 0.6080 level, it could signal a continuation of the downtrend. The 15-minute chart provides even more granular data and allows us to observe the current sentiment of the market. We can see that the price has been consolidating around the 0.6100 level for the last few hours. This indicates a potential battle between buyers and sellers, making it difficult to predict the short-term direction. However, we can see that the volume is relatively low, which suggests that the market might be waiting for a catalyst to move in either direction. To get a more precise understanding of the current sentiment, it's important to watch for key events and economic data releases that could impact the NZDUSD. For example, the upcoming U.S. inflation data release could provide insights into the Federal Reserve's future monetary policy decisions. These decisions could have a significant impact on the US dollar, which in turn would affect the NZDUSD. In conclusion, the NZDUSD pair is currently facing significant bearish pressure due to the RBNZ's recent interest rate cut and the overall bearish economic sentiment surrounding New Zealand. The daily chart shows a clear downtrend, with the price testing the 0.6000 psychological level. Breaking below this level could signal further downside potential. The 1-hour chart reveals a potential support level at 0.6070, which has been tested repeatedly in the past week. Holding above this level could indicate a short-term bounce back, but a break below could lead to further downside. The key price level to watch for in the short term is the 0.6100 resistance level. Breaking above this level could signal a short-term bullish trend, but this will need to be confirmed by a move above the 0.6150 level on the daily chart. The market seems to be waiting for a catalyst to move in either direction, so keep an eye out for key economic data releases that could impact the NZDUSD. Remember, the This is just a technical analysis of the current market situation. Market conditions can change quickly, and it's essential to stay up to date with the latest news and events to make informed trading decisions.